Hello viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you are all fine and good. God bless you. Always be happy in your life. Always be keep smile. Today you will see in this video top attractive and trending, stylish landscaping ideas, pebble stones ideas, home decoration trends in 2025. So guys, I might suggest you just keep on watching these videos till the end. Marvelous and stylish and trending unique pebble stones ideas. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos till the end. You will see in all top creative and trending pebble stones ideas. So guys, I might suggest you just keep on watching these videos till the end. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Lovely viewer, you will see in these videos very attractive and trending stylish pebble stones ideas, garden decoration trends, home decor ideas. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Watch my full videos and enjoy new very attractive and trending pebble stones ideas, marvelous and stylish unique home decorations ideas. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. So viewer, you will see in this videos top stylish and trending pebble stones ideas, landscaping designs, garden decorations ideas. So subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, we will see in this video the attractive and trending home decorations ideas, garden decoration trends, pebble stones ideas. Many more beautiful ideas we will explore in these videos till the end. Many more beautiful ideas we will explore in these videos till the end. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Always and detective and trending stylish home decorations ideas. So guys, I might suggest you just keep on watching these videos till the end. Many more beautiful ideas we'll explore in this video.